Okay, in our last example, we solved an inequality where you had some x's, but you did not have your variables on both sides of the inequality. So let's just take a look at that. Here we have 3.5x. Here's a 1.5x over there. There's this inequality in the middle. We are going to start by getting those variables to the same side. So I'm not going to deal with the 19 or the minus 7. We're going to get the variables to the same side first. We're going to subtract 1.5x from both sides. 3.5 minus 1.5 is just a 2, so that's nice. So 2x, carry down the plus 19. This is a greater than or equal to. And then just be very careful. This looks like a 7, but because we're subtracting a 7, it actually is negative, so we're going to bring down a negative 7. Now we just have our two-step equation. We are going to subtract 19 from both sides. So 2x is greater than or equal to negative 26. Now we're going to divide both sides by 2. So what are we dividing both sides of the inequality by? A positive or negative number? Because that's positive, that's good. Nothing flips. We keep our greater than or equal to. X is greater than or equal to. If that had been a negative number, this inequality would have flipped. Okay, and then negative 26 divided by 2 is negative 13. So our solution is all of the x's that are greater than or equal to negative 13 will give us a true statement in this original inequality. So we solved it. Now we're going to graph it. Graphing inequalities in a single variable involves a number line. And remember, I'm saying you can put that negative 13 in the middle, but then tell me what's on either side. Heading to the right towards 0 will be a negative 12. Heading to the left away from 0 would be a negative 14. Should this be an open or closed circle? Because it is a greater than or equal to symbol, we'll do closed circle, fill it in because negative 13 is a solution, so we're including it. And then we want to shade all of the numbers that are greater than or equal to negative 13. So negative 12 is greater than, and everything this way is greater than or equal to negative 13. So every single number heading to the right of that negative 13 will be a solution to that inequality.